Hello everybody, welcome in this video. How are you all? I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Lord. I am also doing well by the grace of Almighty Lord. Everybody, now I am trying to say something in English by this video. I am standing in middle of the paddy field. You can see my behind, so left side, right side, whole paddy and paddy. Now I have came here to make video. It's not only make video but also practice English with myself. So can you see in this field there is no man right now, so that's why it is so easy to practice alone loudly. Now I am making video loudly. My voice no man can listen. It is good for me, not only me, those who want, those who are practice loudly, they if they first time feel shy, they can this type of place where will be no man. Like now I am practicing, I am trying to say something in English loudly. In this place there are no men, that's why it is so easy for me. I also suggest those who are beginner but they want to practice, they should first time say something. It can be wrong, it can be right, no problem, but there should will be try to say something in English. So everybody, this place is quite quiet and weather is so fresh. I feel good, fresh air. That's why I have came here. I'm walking in paddy field by this thin road, and I'm enjoying to walk single alone. Now I'm practicing with myself. It is my practicing time, so I practice like this. So now I can use ChatGPT. So before 2 years ago, I practiced with myself, alone with my friends, with teacher, and with some application where people came here practice English. I use this type of application. So now I practice with ChatGPT next 1 month. So I can talk with ChatGPT. It is so easy. I think it is so benefit. That's why I'm practice with ChatGPT. I'm comfortable to talk with ChatGPT as a man, human man. Sometimes I'm asking ChatGPT, if I mistake, you find out and tell me where I mistake. ChatGPT find out my mistake and tell me. After that I correct, then say. So I think ChatGPT is so good for me, and now I'm practicing with ChatGPT. It is, I think if I practice with ChatGPT every single day, my English will be improved very rapidly. So after 2 years ago, when I am not able to use ChatGPT, I mean when I don't know how to use ChatGPT as a audio version, that time I find a partner. But now no need any partner. I can practice with ChatGPT. So if those who are English learner, you can go to ChatGPT and talk with ChatGPT. It will be very helpful for beginner. I practice with ChatGPT. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. See you another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.